Cow is drinking water.
No, say cow is gulping water.
Rabbit is drinking water.
No, say rabbit is sipping water.
Dog is drinking water.
No, say dog is lapping water.
Elephant is drinking water.
No, say elephant is sucking water.
Horse is drinking water.
No, say horse is guzzling water.
Bird is drinking water.
No, say bird is sipping water.
Camel is storing water.
No, say camel is drinking water.
Pig is drinking water.
No, say pig is slurping water.
Cat is drinking water.
No, say cat is lapping water.
Tiger is drinking water.
Is he right? Tell us in the comments.